zones and upload them onto Shipox accounts. So in order to draw zones, so go to my maps. In Google My Maps, when you open this, it will give you an option to create maps. And I have logged in with my account. You can feel free to log in with your own account too. So I'll create a new map. So it's gonna open this interface. As you can see, I've just came to my maps map creation page. From here, I can just draw a line. Let me zoom out. I think I'm zooming into. So let's just create a zone inside where I am right now. We'll click on add layer. And I think we don't need this one. We click on this one, draw line, and from here to here to here. And this is the polygon that I have created. I can call it neighborhood 1 and save. It's been saved, as you can see. This would be my neighborhood inside Tashkent, and I need to upload it into Tashkent. So now I need to export it into my computer, import as KML, download. When you download, it's gonna give you this KML file. So you can just go, let me just go to Shipox account. From here, okay, let me sign in. This is the demo account for the location Uzbekistan. So I can upload that neighborhood into Tashkent now. I can just go to neighborhoods and here click on plus or upload. So plus button is under construction. We need to just choose the city, which was in Tashkent, and then upload the KML file that we have gotten, this one, and open. And it's gonna be named untitled layer, but you can name it however you want. So it's gonna take some time for changes to be applied. So neighborhood 1 has been drawn now. If you look at the KML, I think it's just taking some time to represent it on the map. Basically, this is how you can upload the KML files into Shipox, so it will be like exact this polygon is going to be represented on Shipox too once you have uploaded. Let me go. I think it's going to take some time still for this change to be applied onto the map, but still it's going to be appearing soon right here. So yeah,